up, business owner? Are you trying to grow your brand or your business on social media, but it seems like it's not working? Everything that you're trying out is not working. This video is for you. In case you're new here, hi, I am Sarah, and in today's video I'll be breaking down a few mistakes that businesses make that hinders them from growing on social media, and most importantly, how to fix them. In case you're new here, hi, I am Sarah. Make sure you subscribe, like, share this to business owners. The first mistake that business people do, and especially small business, is posting without a plan. You're posting on daily basis, but you do not have a plan. I would equate this to driving on a blindfold. You know you need to move, but the route, the direction, and the destination are not clear. Before you post anything on social media for your business, you need to know, why am I posting this? Posting on social media as a business needs a goal. Why are you posting this? Is it building brand awareness? Is it bringing in sales? Is it growing your email list? Why are you posting it? What is the goal? And I know you've probably heard the word strategy, social media strategy, 101 times, and you think it is a very huge thing, or you think it is something complicated, but honestly it is not. A strategy is a simple plan that covers 3 key things in your business. The first one is the main goal of your business. What does success for your business look like? The second one is your target audience. Whom are you trying to reach out to? And the third one is the content pillars. These are the main topics that will cover, that speaks directly to your target audience and supports your goal. It is as easy as that. What is your main goal? Who is your target audience? And the content pillars. Do not just post anything for the sake of posting. When you clear about these 3 things, it becomes easy for you. Content becomes easy for you to create. It brings in engagement, real engagement, and most importantly, your business or your brand grows with purpose. And at this point, sales and needs will just flow in your business. The second mistake that small businesses do, or small businesses make, is inconsistent posting. And at this point, I want to address 2 types of people. There are those people who post on a daily basis, but they hope on every trending video, trending dance, anything that's going viral, they hope onto it. And there's the second one who posts once every week, twice every 2 weeks, but there is no strategy or plan behind it. They're just posting for the sake of posting. And when you scroll down on their feeds, you'll just meet cute pictures, cute dance moves, and nothing else, and that screams digital noise for any business. The second type of people is those who post once in a while, when they're in the mood, once they get time, and you'll find them complaining always that there is no money, there is no return into their business, people are not buying from them, but they've put in 0 effort and they're doing 0 work about it. These 2 approaches may be hurting your business. If you are posting just for the sake of posting, you have no plan, you have no message, and you have no goal, that is called noise in marketing. And how do you fix this? 1, you need to have a plan. What are your goals? Have a plan and execute it, and make sure you post consistently. You do not have to post every day, but your content need to be consistent in everything, in the message, the people you're talking to, the goals that you're trying to reach to. Be consistent. For example, you can decide to be posting 3 times a week. On Monday, I'll be posting promotional posts. On Tuesday, I'll be helping my target audience solve a certain problem, and on Friday, I'll be posting something else that would be helping my target audience. You need to plan yourself. You need to be wise, because again, in marketing, consistency and clarity will beat the noise anytime. The third mistake is over promotion. If every post is about buy this, buy now, the promotion ends soon, limited slots, you're doing too much. People on social media do not follow ads, they follow value. If on this channel I was just posting about my course over and over again, I'm sure it would not have worked. But I started with a goal and there was a plan in place. I was giving out free videos, educating people about the industry, telling people where to get jobs and all those things, and I was able to grow. But I'm sure if it was just about, posting about my course, it would not even have ever attracted people. But because I was was giving out value, it attracted over 20,000 subscribers, over 25,000 subscribers actually. But guys, I get it, you're trying to make sales and drive in sales into your business, but think about big brands that you know. For example, think about Coca-Cola. Go onto their feed, you will never see them posting, buy today, we have a new flavor, we have this, buy now, buy now. No, there is a plan and they have a strategy into it. And as a small business owner, you need to know about the 80-20 rule. 80% value, this is where you create content that helps people solve a problem, that educates people, tips and tricks. And 20% promotion. When people trust your content as a small business, they're going to trust your brand and they will easily trust you and buy from you without begging, because again, posting buy today, buy now, that type of content comes out as begging. Those are some of the top mistakes that small businesses make: posting without a plan, inconsistent posting, and over promotion. In case you're struggling to know how to position your content or how to put out your business out there, we can help you at Duo Digital Hub. Make sure you reach out to us. Our email is on the description box. You can also DM on Instagram or TikTok, and we'll surely help grow your business on social media easily, and I can promise you great results. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and I'll see you in my next one.